So here we have Vinegar Syndrome's absolutely epic 4K of the Beastmaster. Now this set, which is just simply stunning, is the first in a new range, VSU, and this box has a magnet opening here, opens up inside, has this pull strap which will just take the contents out just now to reveal some absolutely fantastic art inside and outside. It's an impressive box before you even get to the movie. And of course there is a booklet inside as well. I've seen thicker booklets, but it's essays and photo books. It's quite nice. Even more of that fantastic art, concept art. Remembering the Beastmaster, Don Coscarelli, and some other things, and amongst this one as well. And of course there's another slipcase for this one, which is again VSU #1. An impressive start to this one. Inside we have the actual disc itself, a list of the contents as well as the extras. I'll leave it there. You can have a pause of this if you want to check it out. It is of course region free. Even the Blu-ray is all regions as well. Inside there is the 4K, there is the Blu-ray, and there is the new VFX Blu-ray. Now there seems to be an issue with this, but they're replacing it at the moment. This was something I didn't even know they were doing, which is new VFX in the movie, and just updated it. I've recently checked this one out. This is an impressive set, impressive movie, and the packaging just is exemplary. If you're picking this up, I'd love to know in the comment box below. I cannot recommend this highly enough. It is stunning. One more thing, we'll just check and see the reverse artwork. Okay, let me know in the comments which is better, the red or the blue. And just now I'm going to leave it the blue, and whatever you guys help me decide, that is the one that I will choose. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know if you're picking this up, and I'll see you next time on ManVFilm.